Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we pull into the station, friends, please remain fully seated and on board the train until I give the all clear to disembark. I will only do so once the train has come to a full and complete stop and it is safe to stand and exit. So until that time, please remain fully seated. Remain seated, my friend in the red shirt. Sit down for me. Sit down. Please remain seated, friends. We are still in motion. Thank you. All clear. Welcome to Frontierland. Your one and only exit is going to be by the Fire Marshal barrel. If you are traveling with a stroller, please do not unfold it until you have passed through that exit gate. Thank you.